Hey, now, if you got time to listen, only when you got to envision what it will take for a hip-hop musician. My name is TJ, and TJ is my name. That's why I always entertain, and the word is my claim. I'm not...
We're on our way to Tamaki family. It's our rental. If you have a look over here, it's a Toyota Aqua. Most common stolen vehicle in the whole of the country, mate. That used to be one of the most common stolen cars too in the country, the old Nissan Tita. And then it was a Mazda Demio, and now this is appearing on top of the list.
Quite knowledgeable in stolen vehicles.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah.
This is a hands-on experience.
Yeah, that's my day job. I go around bloody pinching cars. That's what we do, mate. Gotta feed the tamariki somehow. It's an honest day's work, mate. Good morning, gangsters.
Good morning, gangsters.
Hello to the darlings. Where you at, Papakura? Alright, my gangsters, my darlings. I want to see you out there on the dance floor tonight with your best moves.
Rub one out. Rub one out, gangsters.
It's not gay if I love my bro.
I ain't gay, I just do gay stuff. You dudes in the back of my truck.
We're not weird, we're drinking beer.
Ya te koro friki te pini.
It means self-love. Love yourself before you love someone else.
So if you want to love yourself, whānau,
Friki te pini.
do you friki te pini nuts?
Ai. Pai ki ai e te friki te pini.
Nuts like the friki te
E hara
pini.
ko tona ake pini, e
Yeah.
ngari ko te pini o te wahine.
Te tahi ate, ne?
E te tahi ati pini, ha? Pai ki ai e te friki.
Is that you tonight, Nux? Tindux, Skolducks?
Friki te pini o te tahi wahine kokonati.
Make sure you're not related. I mean, eh?
Nui ona waiwai, nui ona
Hara.
toko maha ona tuakana.
Friki te pini, whānau.
Friki te pini. Beat your husband up.
Not those aunties. Those aunties that bring them beat
Smash their husbands.
Those are the types that friki te pini.
But they're always the ones, you know, doing the dishes, doing the wharekai, out there doing the hangi, cutting up the meat. Those are those aunties. But then you got those other aunties, they want to be the kaikaranga.
But they're not actually aunties.
But they're not actually aunties,
But they're aunties.
but they're aunties.
Then you got all the gangsters.
Good morning, gangsters.
Where's my South Auckland gangsters at tonight?
Haramain, friki te pini.
Aho te aua tō taira tō kara.
Te kara o tō pini,
Friki te pini.
kei wainga te tahi uihi, ngāhere,
Ngāhere mai.
bold mai,
Mahawe mai.
roa mai,
Nui mai. Itzi mai. We don't discriminate, it's fun.
te pini, te pini.
Southside, where you at? Ford Block.
Mātua,
You don't know about Mātua, G? That's the most dangerous hood in all of Tauranga, G. Mātua, the 3110, G. They don't know about that. Ambulance sirens every night at the retirement village, but you know, still counts.
the shop's all caged off.
Been ram raided at least once.
They used to have this bowling club there. They've closed it down because it's so dangerous there.
So, whānau, if you live in Tauranga, don't go to Mātua, eh? That's a dangerous neighbourhood.
Stay away from that place. If you go to Mātua, you're going to Mātua Nui i te rangi. Friki te pini. Kia ora whare, we just got here to the Stampede Bar, rocking the old Colonel NZ pōtai. Anyway,
Oh, it's the Sunday night church.
hey,
Sunday night church.
They're all organ players, they call it.
Music lessons.
Yes, music, the Mary pianos and that way.
Just take it as compliment. No. Cowboy
Boss, where's piss? Podcaster.
Switch.
Hey, what is doing here? Right? Are you allowed to put
I'm doing a podcast, bro, with everyone around here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wondering if you guys are free to jump on, bro.
You know, I watch you on TikTok.
Oh, hey! Oh, bro. Yeah, no, bro. Honestly, my dad's a massive fan of it. You want to start us up now? Is there anything that you don't want us to talk about?
Just my just my rako. That's premium subscription.
I wish I recorded that, bro.
And OnlyFans. It's the premium content. You can't find it on this one. Right? So subscribe, right? And you can get all kinds of pics. All kinds.
Man, you guys are funny, bro. You guys should be stand-up comedians, brother.
I would stand up, but
Kia ora. Welcome to Spinning Yarns, the best podcast coming out of Koroa.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
so we keep our slaves. There he is over there.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to steal your undies.
You wanna be up here, down there, over there?
King in the castle. Oh, go do this, go do this.
Get in there.
Someone's gonna jump in there anyway. So Oz wants to jump in there.
Mate, just pop the first burn on top of them.
You let them know, huh? Otherwise you'll end up in there. Haven't been in one of those jails before.
I have a suggestion. Lift your side, slide it through the gap there. Move that mic stand and just chuck it straight through that gap. No, I'm just telling you.
King in the castle. Oh, go do this, go do this.
Demanding.
Yep, that's the one. Mahi tali.
Alright.
Too much better.
Here we go.
Chefano, sus. Woo!
Va, look, Beanez.
Well, for the toilet tomorrow, start.
Oh, whakatane.
Whakatane. And to everyone home in Whakatane. How you going, bro?
We're entitled to a green credit card.
It goes from green to gold.
Depends even on the card.
Don't forget it.
I try to trade it in for cash, but can't buy certain items of those cards.
There's a trick to it. You buy and then sometimes they can't reload back onto the card.
Yeah.
So they just give you the cash. I don't like me how I know.
That's some new tricks right there,
Trust me, all the people that follow me know these tricks.
We've got to learn some new strats to rip off the government, G. Taking back our land and what's it all. Cheer to the government.
Cheer to the taxpayers.
Yeah. Oh, that's us. Even tax my green card.
Anyway, you David Seymour.
David's seen these nuts. How would he sees up?
You guys better get a feed.
Yeah, that's us, eh?
Hey, dark moon. Oh, way up high up in the sky. Tell me why you've lost your splendor. Dark moon. What is the cause?
Caro, huh?
Win some, you lose some.
As your love withdraws, is it because you've lost your love? Hey, dark moon. Oh, way up high up in the
Kakite, o fato.
Malo lele. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't speak Tonga. Luhusi. Horsepower.
Kakite.
Much love, lobster and the rastas. Anyway, no, that was midnight. Thanks for everyone spending your hard-earned money. This is not going on the vlog.
Put it on me.
Put it on there. Cheer to Kura.
Trying to get
I'm just gonna end today here because I'm over it and I want to eat. See you guys on the road tomorrow. Shout outs to our cameraman.
Stay blessed, whānau.
Stay blessed.
And friki te pini.
Friki te pini. Check. What a night, whānau.
We are awake.
We're awake, a little bit late. Looking pretty mean out there.
Tamaki COVID.
Yep, off to the markets.
Off to the Otala markets.
To go get some ski masks. For the snow, of course. Anyway.
This guy. Yes, yes. Well, get your buddy over here. Hey. Now, if you got time to listen only when you got to envision what it will take for a hip-hop musician. My name is TJ, and TJ is my name. That's why I always entertain, and the word is my claim. I'm not here for the fame or the fortune or glory. I'm just here just to let everybody know my story. I'm here to fundraise cause I'm so self-funded. I gotta get down, that's the way I really want it. The fear and done it, but now I have to overcome it. I'm at the university, up in the place to be. Working my butt off just to get my degree. That's why I'll never quit. That's why I'm always trying to spit. When I hit this line, I can just spit a pole. That's when I look at life, it's never difficult. Life is a challenge when you understand the balance of your own worship. That's why you always say you anniversaries. But I can keep it, well I can just get me deeper. It's like you find yourself a true sleeper. I mean a speaker. It's like the reacher from out of a teacher. What is the treater from the greeter? Leaders, readers, what leaders? Yes, sure. My words that come into play. The metaphors from up north. Shout out to a day. WHD in the field. That's how we really grow. I see Nati Henny, Pookie Pookie, Joe.
Whānau, come to see on this barbecue. Pretty mean.
Are you going to be the little fire? Hallelujah! The little fire! Can you see my little fire? Can you see the fire of God?
Yeah. We just were Papa Pura last night. Yeah. We get around.
My darling, they're off to Ohakune tonight. Yeah.
Kia ora.
Our niece, she's special needs.
She loves you guys.
She jams you guys. Sets the iPad up all day long.
You get the Toyota Equa, you get the Toyota Equa lifestyle, eh? The Nike Tech. Authentic Nike. Yeah. Out to Ram Raider Dairy near you. Let's go. Yeah, I've basically been in Auckland for one day and I've become like the natives. So, this is my new life. No face, no case, by the way.
For the streets.
For the streets. Hey? What?
He's got a weapon, whānau. He's backing, aka
Weapon of Rākau's destruction. I mean it. What's up, pal? Tell them I've been in South Auckland too long. Now I've become like the local. Off the Ram Raid, the next vape shop. Come the Ram Radio area. Let's go. I don't know about these Ram. So yeah, this is where we're Ram raiding tonight. You know the rule, no face, no case.
Seen a beautiful antique store just up there.
Hey?
Valuable stuff.
Yeah, Papa Kura was mean. Tonight's gonna be mean. No face, no case.
Yeah, Ram raids.
Manamo Tua! Raiding your land.
There's nothing that you have that identifies who you are.
Nothing can identify me. Nothing at all. We're safe, whānau. Alright, let's go raid the whenua. We activated stealth mode, whānau. SAS operations over here. You don't know about these ones infiltrating the enemy. And who's the enemy? Well, I'll let you figure that one out, eh? Whew. It's crisp over here in Ohakune. The fire, eh? The fire. Nah, eh? Oh, that smells nice. Long time ago, where were the young girls gone? Young men with their memory, where will they ever? When will they ever know? Too many verses on there, we'll stop there.
Yeah, it goes around in circles.
Yeah. Next minute we're back in the ground again and then, then with the flowers
now with
again.
the flowers again.
In a minute.
Yeah, in my car. You filming right now?
Yeah. Bro.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Sorry?
You like and subscribe to TJ Huri,
Yeah,
baby.
you know what it is. Classic J in the building. Let's go.
Bless and love.
I wonder why I love every little thing that you do, every little thing you do. You're the reason, baby, in every little thing you do, every little thing you do. Not only talking physically, but spiritual and mentally. The vibe we have is lightning, and all of the things we do. Ooh, baby, can't you see? When you're away from me, nothing could be more, nothing could be more needed. To be by my side, like a sign from heaven, you brighten up my life. Let's keep this passion burning, eternal will last. Forever you will be cherished.
About a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Say no more about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Come on, take. We're in the whānau. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Big night last night, but to leave the Acorn. How was last night, bro?
Yeah, it was good. It's good turnout.
Yep. Yeah, Ohakune, all good. Alright.
Got to see a rumble.
Yeah, saw a couple of rumbles.
Rumble in the parking on the morning.
A rumble, so that's...
So, well, a rumble, so that's pretty good considering sometimes we see upwards of
multiple
4 to 5 rumbles per gig. So, nah, Ohakune well behaved. She's along the road, along the huarahi. Yup. Nah, yeah, it was a good night last night.
Too much to be classic tuning up last night. Nah, we all got love, mad love for each other, even in the bros.
Get a room.
Good to see classic. There's these two young fellas, one from Tauranga, one from Toko. They come up to me and they're like, "Are we going for a hunt? Wanna come, monks?" And I was like, "In the morning," and he goes, "Nah, right now."
Nah, you going hunting? You're going to hunt for a yeti. You're going to hunt for a goat man.
For the children of the mist.
See you later.
Oh, apparently they went out there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I did this. My pride got a bit. Mama just dinos. Eh? Tauranga all day, just not today.
Didn't want to go tore hunting either.
So the first time I worked there, this wahine, she was out in the courtyard, just stripped down, fully naked. And she was just standing there, she was doing laps, naked. And I was like, oh. I went into the office, I was like, there's a lady out there, she's naked. And they're like, oh yeah, we're just leaving her out there. It's like, there's nothing we can do. So you just sit there night and they go, can you just go and watch her there, make sure she doesn't do it? I was like,
Say no more.
I got eyes on her, don't you worry.
Say no more. Hey, you jumped something. Pick your place up.
Uncle to the rescue.
Now drop him on the floor. Pick it up again.
One more time, please. Keep doing those laps.
Now slowly pick it up. Now put your shoes on. One by one.
Slower. That's it right there.
Like and subscribe, whānau, you know what it is.
Let's go.
Hang on, I gotta like and subscribe first because you can't be giving out advice. You don't already take yourself. So, Taiho whānau, don't like and subscribe.
Don't like and subscribe. Hold on. Hey, let's get on the...
Oh. Notification bell. All. Yeah, like and subscribe.
You know what to do, whānau.
Subscribe to my Only Feets Funny.
Hey.
Only Feets. I left one toenail long just for you.
Cut it slowly, eh? Cut it slowly. Now tie your shoelaces.
I will not eat what you peasants eat. I have a refined palate. But I'm hungry, so this will be... You peasants, this shall suffice. This shall suffice. Shit, whānau. Patrick's pies. I shouldn't be having these. Specifically, this flavour is the second best pie all of the world. Okay? Patrick's pies. That is the best flavour in the world. There's only one left, but I'm happy with this one. You gotta go to Tauriko or Bethlehem though, don't go to Rotorua. I've been everywhere too. I've been down south, tried your fellas pies, been in Auckland. They're all good pies. Nothing will beat this one or that one. Sure. Just successfully ram-raided Auckland and Ohakune. How was the weekend, bro?
It was good, bud. Good. Yes, very successful weekend.
Mean.
Heaps of vapes.
Yep. Heaps of
liquor.
Heaps of smokes. 274 all day. I was in Otara for 2 seconds and now I've changed. This is my new life. You know, whānau, like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. I'm TJ.
And I'm John.
We out. See you next week.